Alright, so today I'm gonna be making some Temari Sushi today. I'll explain what that is in a minute, but ingredients I will be needing today is what I will be using is a little bit of yellowfin tuna, some avocado, and some salmon. So avocado I'm simply gonna just cut and put on top for garnish, and then yeah, I'll show you guys how to make some Temari Sushi. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna cut my salmon, and I'm just gonna show you guys how to do that really quick. So I have a regular salmon block over here. I'm gonna cut it the same as I want normally for nigiri, but a little bit bigger than that. So it's gonna be about an inch wide and I would say maybe about 4 finger lengths long. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut a few pieces just so you guys can see. And I actually want to cut this pretty thin because I want it to be able to wrap over my rice when I make this. Alright, so I cut a few pieces just like that so you guys can see. Alright, so I cut my salmon and I put that down now. I'm going to do the same with my tuna. I have a little piece of yellowfin tuna here. I'm going to try and cut it towards the same size. Okay. So since it's not as, I guess, wide, I'm going to just butterfly it actually. Okay, so something like that. Alright. Okay, and then I'm gonna score it a little bit just so when I make this, it's gonna kind of overlap on my rice. Okay, so I'll make one more. So what I have here is just regular yellowfin tuna that I found at my local mart. Nothing really spectacular. Alright, so what we're going to be making today, like I said before, is Temari Sushi, which is it's like the little sushi bombs that you see, maybe sushi bowls, the little bite-sized sushi pieces. It's similar to nigiri, I would assume, but just, you know, presentation is a little bit different. Okay, so I guess it's not really too common to see normally, but yeah, so in a traditional restaurant, I would say you definitely would not see it. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to make that anyway, like I said. So once I have all my fish prepared and my rice made, just cut these salmon in half. We're gonna make them. Okay, so this is something nice to make too because it's like it's like nigiri, you know. So it's very bite-sized and fun to eat, fun to make. Okay, so for this I have a little leftover rice over here I made, but I'm gonna do around the similar for nigiri. I'll do around 11 grams, a little bit on the bigger side. Okay, so I'm gonna make a few of those out. Yeah, so how's everybody doing in this quarantine still, I guess? It's really getting to me. Alright, so I'm gonna do about, I guess I'll do 6 or 8 temari bowls because that's all the rice I have for. Like I said, I'm using a little leftover rice, so don't mind me. Okay, so I have 7, not enough. Alright, well. Alright, so once I have my little balls of rice made out, I'm going to take my fish, salmon, okay, and I'm going to just wrap it over the ball of rice pretty much. Okay, so I'll do that, and then I'm going to make the shape a little bit more round by just pressing on the sides, of course. Okay, so like that, just like that. Very easy, simple to do. Make a few more. Okay, so take the salmon, put it on top, and we're just simply gonna just I guess bring our hands in a circle shape, and then we're just gonna literally bring the salmon down and wrap it over the rice. Okay, so just like that, very simple, easy to do. Okay, do one more. Okay, so literally just make a circle shape, and then we're gonna wrap the fish and then wrap it over the rice. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the tuna now. I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, put the tuna on top, and then just simply wrap it over the rice. Okay. And then I'm gonna do 2 more of those. Sorry, the tuna is a little bit wet. Okay, so just like that. And I'll do one more piece since that's what I got 4. Okay. And then I'll give you guys a little close up on how it looks. So once that's done now, I have it on my plate over here. I just kind of put it in a circle. And now I'm going to take my avocado. I have a little bit of a leftover avocado. I'm going to put it down, and I'm going to point my knife down and then just make a few slices. This is for the garnish. Okay, so I'm going to hold my avocado, cut with my knife, slide down. Okay, I'm going to move the avocado as I slice it. Okay, so slice, move the avocado, and repeat. Alright, so now I'm just gonna cut that in half, and then I'm gonna just top my sushi with it. I'll put like a few pieces on top of each one. Why not? Okay, so you guys can see. I would say the hardest thing about sushi definitely is being precise. It takes time, it takes a bit of patience. You know, so definitely cannot rush things. Okay, so cut that a little bit. Nice, cool. Okay, so this is generally the idea of what I did. It's tuna salmon temari bonbons. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys enjoyed. And then, I'll definitely take some garnish and then just garnish on the top. But it's a quick video on how to make temari sushi. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed. And here's the little close-up. Some salmon temari. Ooh. And some tuna temari. Okay, yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give it a like and comment, I guess. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Alright, yeah, some tuna salmon temari, and then a little bit of avocado on top. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you again.